In this video, I'll show you how to fix the could not find rune64.dll error when trying to play GTA 5 Enhanced Edition. Method 1. What is rune64.dll? This file is part of GTA 5's game files, and missing it means the game won't launch properly. Method 2. Verify game files, Steam or Rockstar Launcher. Open Steam or Rockstar Games Launcher. Go to your game library, right-click GTA 5, and select Properties. Find Verify Integrity of Game Files, Steam, or Verify Game Files, Rockstar. Let the launcher check and download any missing or corrupted files. Method 3. Reinstall the game. If verifying doesn't work, uninstall GTA 5 completely. Then, reinstall it fresh to restore all files including rune64.dll. Method 4. Update your Windows and drivers. Make sure your Windows is fully updated. Update your graphics drivers from NVIDIA or AMD official sites. Method 5. Download rune64.dll manually. Use with caution. Only download DLL files from trusted sources. Place the rune64.dll file into your GTA 5 installation folder, usually at C:\program files /Rockstar Games /Grand Theft Auto 5. Restart your PC and try launching the game. Method 6. Run as administrator. Right-click the GTA 5 shortcut and select Run as administrator to avoid permission issues. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more game fixes and tutorials.